Adventure Kids. What are we doing, Albert?
Open my toy.
We're going to open this. What is it? It is a Duplo aeroplane.
Yeah.
We're very excited.
Yeah.
Shall we start?
Yeah.
Go on then. Right, now. Should we open up the bag?
Yeah. Put this one bottom of it. And then
We've got a stereo.
yeah.
And a brick and a... Is that a cup for him to have a drink?
Yeah.
A chair.
And then it needs this. Like that.
Daddy, when we looked at it originally, you said it was a cup. You said it was a coffee cup, and I said it was a trophy.
Oh, I don't know anymore.
Oh, he can hold his wrench.
I
Look.
can put this on the airplane.
Mummy, try.
Try it under your.
Oh, it needs a bit of a grown-up's help. That one.
You put the
Does the chair go in there? No, it doesn't fit, does it?
it passing.
I've got to fix this aeroplane.
Can we put it in?
Gary's fixing the propeller. Have you got to fill it up with fuel? Is he ready to go?
Not yet.
Not yet. Has he still got some fixing to do?
You put this. And then
I'm filling it up with fuel.
and he needs it down in it.
Yeah.
And then he needs this in it.
He needs a stereo in it so he can listen to some tunes.
Yeah. And then he
Turn it around, so there we go, we're ready to
and
fly.
then he fly.
Don't tilt it up. Ready? And tilt it up. Fly again so they can see you flying.
You do it.
Okay, I'm coming in for a landing. Oh, he's taxiing back to the airport. Have you got to fix this? Fix it.
Maybe I can do this. Oh, why not fit? And then better. Yeah. Then he needs some coffee.
He needs some coffee.
Yeah.
That sounds like a good idea.
Oh yeah, you need one hat box. Can we can we have get this pop it off? Yeah, Mommy. Yeah.
Zoom out and tilt it up. Keep playing.
And then he needs to
I'll fill up with more fuel quickly.
and you do something else. Yeah, I'll do it. This was Adventure Kids. Bye-bye.
This was Adventure Kids. Bye-bye.
Adventure Kids Club!